Guys, today we'll talk about how can you sign out of your account on your Redfin app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click here on my Redfin, just click on it here down. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just click on settings here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. So then you go down here, you click here on sign out, you just click on it. So then here automatically it's going to take you out of your account on your Redfine app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.